Because who wakes up one day and says, I want to fall asleep in a forest, and within 5 hours is camping in a fucking forest? For those that are new here, hey girl, my name is Zendaya, and I absolutely love doing things completely out of my comfort zone. Let's prep to go motherfucking camping! Step 1. AFCON watch party fun, nigga! Step 2, errands. Like a lot of fucking errands. Step 3, packing. And by this point, I was like, oh shit, I'm going to arrive in the fucking dark. Let me just say, this is where everything went downhill and my spontaneity bit me in the fucking ass. Lost.
Oh my god, we ended up in NASA!
Stuck.
Oh my god, yo.
All the things that could possibly go wrong, but I'll touch more on those tomorrow.